Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at top 3 altcoins to buy here in the month of October. So as you guys can see here in the past 24 hours, the market has been booming. We're very green. The market is up about 3.61%. We have our top gainers here, New Cipher, which is up about 41.87%, trading at around $1.52. Our highest volume, like usual, is Bitcoin. Right behind it, we have Ethereum. So Bitcoin at 44.2 billion, Ethereum at 19.7. Bitcoin is up about 2%, hitting that 61,000 area. We were actually at highs of almost 62,000 at one point, with a little bit of a pullback here Saturday morning. We have Ethereum up 3%, trading around this 3,900 area, close to the 4,000 area. We're very close for the all-time highs on both of these coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and something might be happening here in the month of October. We might see all-time highs very soon with potential new highs. So that is definitely exciting here in the stock market and the crypto market. We see all these other altcoins starting to boom as well. We have Binance Coin up 1%, Cardano's up 1.9%, Ripple's up 2%, even Solana's making a little bit of a move, Polkadot exploding. We talked about this one in the previous video, up 7%, Doge up 3.5%, Uniswap 8.5%, Terra 1%, Avalanche is up almost 12% here. We might be seeing another run with it. We have all these other altcoins that are up, 2, 3, 4% or more. Stellar Lumen's 11.8%. So everything is kind of rallying right now. We're seeing the large cap coins and the altcoins, the low cap, mid cap coins starting to rally as well. So some good things are happening right now, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. We just hit 44,000 subscribers, guys. So thank you so much for that. Let's keep on going. Leave a comment below. Which cryptocurrency are you buying in the month of October? Now let's get into it, guys. There's also been some big news that we're going to be talking about at the end of the video. But first of all, our first altcoin is going to be Cardano ADA. This one is up about almost 2% here in the past 24 hours. Trading at $2.21. In the past week, we're down 1%. In the past month, we're down 11%. And then on the 1-year chart, this coin is up 2,021%. As we can see here, last October, this coin was trading at around 10 cents or so. Hit highs here in May at around $2.31. Pulled back down to lows under $1 in July. And then we saw it skyrocket on up past the $3 area, over a 200% gain right there in a matter of about 2 months. And then we obviously pulled back down here. We're consolidating, and we're hoping for another breakout here as these large cap coins continue to go higher. Now Cardano is trading at a 73.6 billion market cap currently. 3.1 billion here in volume, 66-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 3 coin right behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it surpassed Binance. Right here, the trading activity, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity, obviously all-time high at 310. So as you guys can see right here, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So this coin is definitely one of those popular coins, and it continues to grow higher and higher. If we were to get to that $3 high right there, we would be over 100 billion market cap, and obviously hitting new highs once again. So as Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to grow, we're going to be watching Cardano as well, because we could be seeing all-time highs potentially with this coin in the future as well as many of these other altcoins that we're watching very closely right now. So Cardano is going to be our first coin. Our second coin is going to be Avalanche. So Avalanche, you guys should be very familiar with AVX. So this one making a boom here once again. It went from $55 all the way to highs of over $62 here. So it's trading, it's up 11% here in the past 24 hours, up to $61.16. In the past week, we're up 1% or so. And then if we take a look here, 1 month, 6%, 1 year, 1,413%. Last October, we were trading at $4 or so. We went up to highs here in February at around $55, consolidated here. Meanwhile, everything else was booming. Then we saw it dip down with the rest of the market under $10 at one point in July. And then we skyrocketed on higher here all the way to highs of $80. So about a 700% gain here from July to about September. So about a month and a half or so. 700% return. That means if you would have invested $1,000 into Avalanche, you would have came out with $7,000 profit if you sold at the top. And even if you didn't sell at the top right now, you would be able to take home about $5,000 in profit on this coin. But we saw this dip. We talked about potentially another run, and that's exactly what's happening right now with Avalanche. 13.5 billion market cap, volumes up 25% higher than usual at 656.2 million. Our typical hold time for this one is about 7 days. It is ranked the number 10 coin right now. Trading activity 74% buy activity, 26% sell. Avalanche describes itself as an open programming smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this coin, definitely one of those popular ones right now that we're seeing momentum play in the altcoin area. So when we see these, momentum plays, it's definitely nice to see and potentially jump on if you're willing to take the risk, obviously, because they can, jump on higher very, very quickly. But you have to know, you have to have a buy, an a sell area to make sure you get out before, you get the rug pulled pretty much. You don't want to stay in this coin for too long because it's not one of those, more stable coins, I guess you could say. Just kind of like an in and out type of coin that you want to get in and out really quickly, take some profits, and continue your life. So definitely something to be watching though. Avalanche right here. Coming in the number 3 spot is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So here in the past 24 hours, Cosmos is up about 3%, trading at $33.68. In the past week, we're down 3.5%. In the past month, down 1%, trading sideways pretty much between these levels of about $30 and around up here $40. So that's still a nice, about a 30% gain right there potentially if you buy the low, sell the high. Now on the 1-year chart, this coin is up 522%. Last October, we were trading at around $5. We hit highs here in May when the whole market, boomed up to about $30. Pulled back down with the whole market under $10, and then we continued to go higher here over $40. So about a 300% upside potential there was here from July to September. So 300%, still massive gains. Obviously, that's not something you would see every day in the stock market. You might be expecting like a 10% return in a year, but here you were able to get like a 300% return in about a month or two, which is just insane to think about, obviously. So obviously from these highs, we saw it pull back down a little bit, and now we're looking for this consolidation period and hopefully another boom on higher. Market cap currently at 7.5 billion, volume here at about 500 million. Then we see the typical hold time, 36 days. Trading activity is 66% buy, 34% sell. It is ranked the number 22 coin on our list. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains that are able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their, tokens in order to maintain a network and receive more Atom as a reward. So definitely another thing to be watching here, because you can stake your coins, obviously, which is a very popular thing in the cryptocurrency space, because you can stake your coins in order to get more interest, I guess you could say. You lock in your coins for a certain amount of time, and you get pretty much a certain percentage back on your coins in that time period. So that's definitely another interesting thing about cryptocurrency. It's kind of like a dividend, I guess you could say, if you were to look at it in that way. It's very similar when you put it that way, but obviously there's always a risk and a reward type situation when you're doing these things. So those are our 3 altcoins. Now, the other big thing we wanted to talk about is obviously potentially the ETF, the Bitcoin ETF coming out, getting approved, and different things like that. That could be a very big catalyst here for Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency space. So obviously Bitcoin boomed here in the past 48 hours because of news like this. So obviously we saw news saying that, we might be seeing that Bitcoin ETF very, very soon as next week. So that's definitely something that everybody's watching right now, and everything's kind of booming on this type of news right here. So instead of the sell the news type situation, we saw everything boom, and this is a great thing for the cryptocurrency space. Obviously, everybody wants a Bitcoin ETF to be out there, obviously. So we're very, very pleased and happy to hear this news. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said, Dogecoin up 3.5%. Meanwhile, Shiba down here up about 2.5%, but Shiba is not even close to where it was, just last week. Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours up 2%. Like we said, hit highs of over almost 63,000 here, which was very, very close to the all-time highs, which is insane to think about. Just a few days ago, we were trading at like the 50,000 area. Here in the 1 week chart, 13% higher. We were trading at 54,000. In the past month, 26.8%, with lows down here of about 39,000. So we went from 39,000 to 41,000. That's about a $21,000 gain, which is insane. That's over 30% there. So here in the 1 year chart, we're up 442%. And look at this climb. I mean, look, first we saw this slow and steady area, boomed up, pulled back down. Everybody thought, uh-oh, it's over. The bull run's over. And then boom, the bull run continues, and we're very, very close to those all-time highs. I mean, we were just about $2,000 away from the all-time highs just, yesterday. So Very interesting to see if Bitcoin will get to that area in the month of October. 1.2 trillion market cap right now, 37% of the crypto market space, as you guys can see. Volume pretty much the same as usual. Typical hold time 83 days, 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum here, as you guys can see, it is trading around this 3,900 area, almost at 4,000, up 3%. In the past week, we're up 9.5%. Past month, 8%. So obviously, Bitcoin is definitely outperforming Ethereum right now on the 1 month chart, but on the 1 year chart, Ethereum is winning almost 1,000% higher than it was last year, with highs at right around 4,400. So we're only about $400 away from the all-time high area, which will bring us to about a 500 billion market cap. As you guys can see right now, 461.3 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market. So as you guys can see right here, obviously we have a 68% buy activity on Ethereum, 32% sell activity, and an 82 typical hold time days on Ethereum. So we're seeing moves, guys. Everything is kind of moving on up higher and higher slowly. It came out of nowhere in the past week or so. Nobody really expected it to happen, but it's happening right now, and we're very, very happy, guys. So leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space? Are we going to hit all-time highs in the month of October? I personally think we might potentially see those all-time highs coming very, very soon and very quickly, guys. So very bullish on this market. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers right here, or 44,000 subscribers right here. And as always, guys, if you want to get your 2 free stocks from Webull, check out the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So if you guys want to invest in the crypto space, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing into the crypto space. Thank you guys so much.